Hello everyone, welcome to E-Content Development Center, Majlis Arts and Science College. Myself Aisha Nida, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Majlis Arts and Science College. Today I am going to discuss a small yet important topic, holography, which comes under Physical and Modern Optics in your 5th semester BSc Physics. By the end of the session, you will have a detailed study about holography, construction or recording of a hologram, and reconstruction of a hologram. Holography is a fascinating technology that captures and displays three-dimensional images using light. Unlike photographs that are two-dimensional, holograms provide a lifelike representation by recording the light waves reflected off an object. This technology uses lasers to capture its full depth of the object and allowing the viewers to see it from different angles as if the object is physically present. Holography has practical uses in various forms, starting from storing data or security to entertainment and arts, offering a unique way to visualize information in 3D. Now let's move on to the details. Holography works mostly on two processes: recording or the construction of a hologram and the reconstruction of a hologram. So for this, we mainly use two beams of laser light, a reference beam and an object beam. The reference beam is the direct coherent laser light and the object beam is the light that is scattered from the object. So now let's go into the details of recording a hologram. So as you can see, there is a laser beam that is made incident on a mirror. So this is the reference beam. The reference beam is made incident on the mirror and then reflects to the photographic plate, by which it illuminates the photographic plate. Then we have the object beam. As you can see, the object beam is reflected off by the object and it carries the shape and the structure of the object. Both the reference beam and the object beam interfere and causes an interference pattern on the photographic plate. This interference pattern is recorded on the photographic plate and we get a hologram. So as you can see, the components for recording a hologram are a laser, a mirror and a photographic plate. So here as you can see in the image, the laser beam, first the laser reference beam is made incident on the mirror, it gets reflected and is made incident on the photographic plate. And then another beam, which is the object beam, is made an incident on our object and then it causes a interference pattern on the photographic plate. So in this diagram, as you can see, the laser beam is splits into two, a reference beam and an object beam. The reference beam, after reflecting from the mirror, is made incident on the photographic plate, and then the object beam is incident on the object and gets reflected onto the photographic plate. Both these object beams and the reference beams, both of them interfere to have an interference pattern. This interference pattern becomes our hologram. Now let's move on to the next topic, reconstruction of the image from a hologram. So reconstruction means to view the image. To view the image, the hologram is illuminated by a parallel laser beam. As you can see here, the object is illuminated by a parallel laser beam. Now the hologram, it acts as a diffraction grating and then it splits into two parts. And thus two images are formed. First one is the virtual image and the second one is the real image. The virtual image, as you can see in the diagram, it is located behind the hologram and it gives a realistic 3D effect. And the real image is formed in front of the hologram and can be projected or photographed. So this is the reconstruction of a hologram. So till now we have studied about the construction of a hologram, that is recording the hologram, and the reconstruction of a hologram, that is how we view the hologram. So this is the image of the ray diagram of how the reconstruction of a hologram is done. Next is the advantages of holography. As I've said before, holograms and holography has a wide range of applications: storing data, security to arts and entertainment. So some of the main advantages of holography are 3D image creation. Holography creates a three-dimensional image by capturing both the intensity and the face. Next one is multiple perspectives. The hologram, it allows a person to view the hologram from different angles, hence the name multiple perspectives. The next one is data preservation. Even if a part of the hologram is damaged, we can have the entire image reconstructed from a hologram. That is data preservation. So that's all about hologram. So I hope all these were clear. So today we discussed about holograms, the construction of a hologram or the recording of a hologram, and the reconstruction of a hologram. That is how we view a hologram, and also some advantages of holograms. Thank you.